Hello guys, this is Jake from Refine Technology and we are professional pole light manufacturer in Shenzhen, China. So right now, every time customer also asks whether our pole light here you can see where our pole light can replace this famous brand. So today I will show you the video. Our light can totally replace this famous brand. You can see. So turn on the light. You see the control box. Okay. This is a color change mode. This is romance, so we can check the light. The color change. It change with green color. Hey, it's green. Okay, we change another mode. It's party mode. Actually, all the color we can synchronize with this famous brand. That is no problem. You see, color is the same. And the royal sunset. You know this famous brand also can control the light with the app. So I also show you how we synchronize with this app.